bump, as it were, and then away we go. Tony Herman attracting attention right away as they hammer her back wheel right off of there to start things off. Number 67, Tony Herman, out right away, tripled on the backside. John Smedley learning the craft here now as he gets a hard shot back there. Into Dwayne Fishback, he's got a teddy bear duct taped to the bumper. Oh, the humanity. You can see our track officials waving those flags, counting them out here. 60 seconds is the key. The ebb and flow of Demolition Derby. The early rounds with the feeling it out here, and then into the middle now as the cars begin to work and have the counts begin on the machines unable to continue. Hard hit now starting through the middle. Fishback slides his way around here, holding on to the orange grab strap inside of that crown Vic. Smedley hooked up here into the corner. And a very careful tap there from Racer, making sure he did not hit the driver's door. Competitive hit every 60 seconds. Looking for some clear space on the far end, and Fishback clear in the middle, sets it out. Vince Hinko on the far side there, reaching down, looking for the wires to get things going. Coming across the front end there with Fishback hard on his tail, pushing him around and trying to get him into the block. Good work here from number 89, Joel Mornreg. Monroe got a New York and doing a good job of pushing him into the corner there, finishing the hit. Then push him up on the block, push him into the corner. Smart there to disable him. We got 3 cars still looking around out there with James Brown down into 4th down. Fishback still bashing his way through there. Looking at Monroe right there, number 89 in the middle, and Fishback there with the orange halo bar